Welcome to this step-by-step guide on updating the post URL in WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn how to log into your WordPress account, navigate to the appropriate page, and change the slug for a specific post. This process not only helps improve your site's search engine optimization, but also gives you greater control over how your post is displayed online. Begin by opening your internet browser and entering the WordPress website address. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you will see an option to log in. Clicking on the login link will take you to the sign in page where you can access your account. After you click the login link, continue by choosing the option that says continue with Google. This method allows you to sign in using your preferred Google account quickly and securely. When you select continue with Google, you will be prompted to choose from your available accounts. Pick the one that is connected to your WordPress site to move forward. Once you have successfully logged in, navigate to the section where you manage your pages. This is typically labeled as pages on your WordPress dashboard. When you enter the pages area, you should see a list of all the pages that have been created so far. This area gives you an overview of the content on your website and provides the tools necessary for editing. With the list of pages in front of you, click on the edit link associated with the specific page you want to modify. This action will bring up the page editor interface where you have several options for customizing various elements of the page. You may notice an image on screen that visually represents where the edit button is located to help guide you through this process. After entering the page editor, you will want to locate the part of the editor that contains the slug information. The slug is the part of the URL that follows your main site address and describes the content of your post or page. Finding the slug section is essential because it allows you to change what appears in the URL, making it more user-friendly and descriptive. Once you have found the slug section, click on the link that displays the current URL. This action will enable you to edit the slug directly. Go ahead and change the URL text to reflect the new post title or update that better describes the content. This change is particularly useful if your post has been recently updated or if you're refining the topics covered in your content. Make sure the new URL is clear and concise, using only lowercase letters and hyphens to separate words. This practice helps avoid any complications with website links and ensures that your URL is easy to remember. In summary, by logging into your WordPress account, navigating to the pages section, editing the desired page, locating the slug, and finally updating the URL, you can quickly and effectively change the post URL on your website. This process not only streamlines your website management, but also helps enhance your content's visibility on search engines. Enjoy the process of making your post more accessible and user-friendly through these straightforward steps.